India, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited to bring you guys another hair video today. As you can tell by the title, we have a completely new style today. This is the braided cornrow goddess braid straight back style, whatever you want to call it, that has been floating around Instagram. I feel like I constantly see the cornrows, like straight backs, whether it's 4, 6, or like 12, whatever, going straight across. And so I'm so excited to be sharing this video with you guys today. I actually came across this video on YouTube a few days ago. I was looking for some type of braided hairstyle and I came across a video of a girl doing a hairstyle exactly like this. I'm gonna put her channel name across the screen and link her video in the description box down below. I absolutely love the style, and you guys can see I pretty much mimicked it like really well. I think my braids might be just a little bit thicker, and maybe added a little more hair. My buns are a little bigger, I think, but overall I feel like I did a really good job, and I'm super excited to share with you guys. So I keep flailing this hair around because I want to show y'all what I used. This is Free Tress Beach Curl in 12 inches, color 1B. Here is the stock card. If you guys are not new to my channel, then you know that I do a lot of crochet braid videos, and I just had this hair laying around in one of my hair bins, so I thought I would pull it out to use for this style. So this hair texture is soft, natural texture. This hair is not silky at all. If you're looking for a silky hair, you could try Deep Twist. That's probably a good curl pattern for this type of style, but I would recommend, if you are natural, to get something that's like on the newer side of Free Tress if you're gonna get that brand, because those styles, this hair is a little more natural feeling, and to me it blends better with your cornrow. So the reason I'm telling you guys this is because I did not add hair at the beginning of the braid. So all of this is mine. I literally did not start adding in the hair until I got down here. So once I got to the nape of my neck, I actually started to add in some braiding hair as well as these curly pieces. So this is basically a feed-in. Basically it's a feed-in kind of like goddess braid, because you're gonna have to add in the curly pieces and the regular straight braiding hair, which you can use any type. I used regular braiding hair, some brand from the hair store that I had in my bin. So I had one pack, and I think I had like 2 little loop bundles in there because it's the pre-stretch, which normally comes in 3. So if you just buy 1 pack of the pre-stretched hair, that's more than enough for this hairstyle. And I only used probably half of this beach curl. So 1 pack of this would be just enough for you to get through this style. So I want to go ahead and jump into the clip of me showing you guys how I actually did the braids. But before we do that, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. Turn on your post notifications. You guys, give this video a thumbs up if you're liking it so far, if you like the style. The YouTube algorithm is crazy, changes all the time, you guys. So if you do like my videos, do make sure that you subscribe to the channel. So let's go ahead and jump right into me doing the braids. guys, so that was a clip of me installing, well, not really installing, but of me actually doing the braids. I hope that it's kind of self-explanatory. In a way, I cannot teach you guys how to knotless braid. I feel like I don't even know, well, not really knotless braid, but feed in, whatever. I don't even know how to do it myself. I feel like I just watch videos and I go from there. So like I said, I'm gonna link the original video in the description box down below so you guys can watch hers as well. And hopefully by watching both of us, you guys can get like catch on and you'll be able to do this style yourself. So yeah, I think that's pretty much it for this video. I just wanted to share this style with you guys. I am absolutely in love with it. I think it is just so cute for summer. That is gonna be it for this video. I just wanna mention, if you are new to my channel, you may not be aware that I do have a loungewear boutique where I sell pajamas, robes, loungewear, and like chill stuff that you can like run errands at, wear around the house. I'm having a huge 50% off sale right now. You do not need a code. I'm going to put my website in the description box down below so you guys can check that out, as well as the link to this crochet braid review in case you guys are interested in seeing this installed as a crochet braid style. That will be below for you, as well as my crochet braid playlist. And that is going to be it for this video. Leave questions, comments, concerns, everything in the comment section down below. Give it a thumbs up before you exit, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.